Hi guys. Oh, okay. So, y'all probably have heard of bonelab. Probably have. I just hope you have. Are you looking for a good replacement for bonelab? I got your game called Downshot VR. Just called Downshot. Whatever you want to call it. So we go to join, to browse sessions. Has multiplayer, has mods, and we're doing this random. I don't know half the kids. Well, I don't even know any. So look.
Hold it.
Oh.
Ow. Oh, I've been traveling on this road.
Oh my god! Get off me!
On my way back home.
That's in the gay code.
Still gone. Oh,
Little
I've been
yummy.
traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home.
I mean no harm.
Still gone.
Ow.
Oh, I'm on this road too long. Easter Bunny, trying to find my way back home.
Buddy.
I'm the Easter Bunny.
You're an Easter buddy. Hi, Easter.
I'm the Easter Bunny. Whoa.
What happened? I literally just got cat. Oh, I think it didn't fully load. Let's just see it has mods. So we'll go to that, agree, browse mods. I'm gonna look at something. Or Tyler the creator, maps. It's like that stuff. It's cool stuff. Silly tech stuff. So yeah, it's kinda like that. Oh. If you want to get out, back, scroll up, multiplayer, you can host, browse public, morning, jumping spider monkey. I know. I mean, if they're doing a arena map, I'm angry. I like this music. What? Oh. Bro! I give up! Done. Blah possessions. Oh no.
Evidence.
Guys, who wants to say hi to my YouTube channel? I'm recording.
Hello. I'm just gaming.
Nice. Who's the owner?
He is.
Oh no! Hey, come on!
It's me. It's
Help.
me.
I'll help you up.
Yeah, I can't.
No. Do you want me to kill you?
No. Bro, I just lost my game.
Oh. Ah.
Well, you just lost your game? Hey, back up. Back up, get on the ground.
Okay.
Shoot. You didn't see anything. Got it? Hey, I'm on your team.
Oh.
Just see you go. Please. I'm new to a game, man. I just got this skin today. Just space you go. Off to space.
Oh no! Please! No!
To space you
Hey,
go.
my name's Space Sphinx. That's a huge offense. Hey, my name's Space Sphinx. That's a huge offense to me. Oh no. My country is the sweet land of liberty.
Is there a flag on? Oh wait.
Ow.
Till the ice age. Where my fathers died.
Come on. Guys, help!
Yo, I'm coming for you. I'm
Help
here.
me!
I'm here. I'm here for you. Grab on.
Wait, where are you?
Where my
I got
fathers
beat.
died.
Come here! Oh, ow! You're
Sorry.
killing me!
Grab.
I can't! You have to go slower! Wait!
Got you. Off we go.
Oh,
Yeah.
liberty.
I got saved!
Sweet
Oh,
land of
Oh no!
liberty.
Don't die, man!
From
Come
the age where my fathers died.
Okay. Oh, I
Where
died!
my fathers died. Hey, please don't kill me. Please, Father.
Shotguns are weird.
Don't make me, sir.
Ow!
Where my fathers died.
Oh, I got it.
Sweet land
Shotgun.
of liberty.
Shotgun.
Oh no, I couldn't do it.
Mama, I found.
Come on, boys! Come on!
Mama, one of the guys had this. Ah! Get out my sword! Ah! Ah! Get out my sword! I can't swim. I can't swim. Ah! From the ice age. Are you kidding me? Dude, I can't swim. I'm ice. Ice melts in water. You dummy.
Guys, this game's so fun. Oh, wow.
Ice melts in water. No. Where my
Oh, why do you have a golden
fathers
skeleton?
died. Oh! Dude, get off
Wait,
of
how do you
me!
get a golden skeleton?
I will kick you from this game.
Yo, how'd you get that?
It's dev granted.
What?
Ugh. You copied my skin. No, who copies my skin? Dice.
Oh no.
Bro, how'd you get the golden skeleton?
Wait, I can't spawn in
It's
this.
dev granted. It's dev granted. Where the heck did that go?
Dev granted.
How do you
Okay.
have how do you have a spawner gun? I want a spawner gun. Oh.
Ling dong ling 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 watch a ling dong.
Why you gold?
Ow!
Whoa.
It's the crooked bat from the game.
Best place on the earth. Your pussy is the best place on the earth. No, the only skeletons and
Hey!
it's like a handcuff.
Dude, wait,
handcuff.
wait. How did you get that?
Get it!
No, I got cat! I got cat! Okay, like, because it's grabbing them out.